Welcome to our comparison of two popular countertop ice makers, the Silonn ice maker and the EUHOMY countertop ice maker. Both models promise quick ice production, but which one is right for you? In this video, we'll explore their key features, performance metrics, and value for money. Let's dive in. The Silonn ice maker is priced at $109.98, while the EUHOMY model is more budget-friendly at $89.99. This significant price difference could influence your decision, especially if you're looking for value without compromising on quality. Noise levels can be a crucial factor when choosing an ice maker. The Silonn does not specify its noise level, while the EUHOMY boasts a quiet operation of under 45 decibels, making it a great choice for homes and RVs where noise might be a concern. In terms of design, the Silonn features a compact and portable build, ideal for small spaces. On the other hand, the EUHOMY presents a sleek, stainless steel exterior, combining style with functionality. Both designs cater to different aesthetic preferences and practical needs. In conclusion, both the Silonn and EUHOMY ice makers have their strengths and weaknesses. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option with quiet operation, the EUHOMY might be the better choice. However, if you prefer a compact design and don't mind spending a bit more, the Silonn could be the way to go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.